Welcome back to Rider Zone, where we explore the most powerful, luxurious, and futuristic vehicles on the planet. Today, get ready to experience something truly extraordinary: the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Monster Luxury Motorhome, a rolling palace designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, performance, or prestige. This motorhome instantly commands attention with its massive, muscular presence. Built on a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz truck platform, the exterior blends brute strength with refined elegance. The bold front fascia features the iconic Mercedes star, aggressive LED matrix headlights, and a reinforced grille that gives it a true monster road presence. The aerodynamic body panels, premium paint finishes, and high ground clearance make this motorhome look just as impressive parked at a luxury resort as it does conquering rough terrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Monster Luxury Motorhome delivers serious power. It is equipped with a high-performance turbo diesel engine paired with Mercedes' advanced automatic transmission. The powertrain is engineered for long-distance touring while effortlessly handling steep inclines, heavy loads, and off-road conditions. With intelligent all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and advanced traction systems, this motorhome provides a smooth, stable ride whether you're cruising on highways or exploring remote landscapes. Step inside, and you are immediately welcomed into a world of unmatched luxury. The interior feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. Premium hand-stitched leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and elegant wood and brushed metal accents reflect Mercedes-Benz's signature craftsmanship. The spacious living area is designed for comfort and sophistication, featuring plush sofas, a large dining space, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The cockpit is pure Mercedes excellence. A fully digital driver display, large touchscreen infotainment system, and advanced navigation make driving effortless and enjoyable. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous driving aids ensure maximum safety and confidence on every journey. Everything is ergonomically designed so the driver feels in complete control, even on long trips. The kitchen area is fully equipped to rival a luxury apartment. High-end appliances include an induction cooktop, convection oven, premium refrigerator, and ample storage with soft close cabinets. Sleek countertops and intelligent space utilization make cooking on the road both practical and enjoyable. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen delivers convenience without compromise. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, the master bedroom offers hotel-level comfort. A large king-size bed, premium mattress, and sound-insulated walls ensure peaceful rest wherever you are. Integrated wardrobes, smart lighting controls, and climate control systems allow you to personalize your space to perfection. There's also a secondary sleeping area for guests, making this motorhome ideal for families or luxury group travel. The bathroom is another highlight, featuring a full-size rainfall shower, modern vanity, luxury fixtures, and premium finishes. It feels spacious, elegant, and designed for daily comfort on long journeys. Advanced water management systems and eco-friendly features ensure efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Technology plays a major role in this motorhome. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security systems from a single interface or even your smartphone. Solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and a powerful generator ensure energy independence, making off-grid travel easy and reliable. Entertainment is taken seriously as well. A large flat-screen TV, premium surround sound system, and multiple media zones provide cinema-like experiences on the road. Whether you're relaxing after a long drive or hosting guests, the ambience is always refined and comfortable. In terms of safety and durability, The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Monster Luxury Motorhome is built to the highest standards. Reinforced construction, advanced braking systems, and intelligent driver assistance technologies ensure peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Overall, this motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It represents freedom, power, and ultimate luxury, all wrapped in the legendary quality of Mercedes-Benz. Perfect for elite travelers, adventurers, and luxury enthusiasts, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Monster Luxury Motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. If you enjoyed this exclusive luxury motorhome experience, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Rider Zone for more premium vehicle content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.